Today we're donating a Victory Garden seed collection and a Flavor Harvest herb seed kit to the Veterans Adventure Group so that they can have their own vegetable and herb gardens right here on property to pick from and cook from. The compound provides adventure therapy for veteran groups, business groups, and families. A special part of the 4Patriots culture is that everyone's willing to step up and help others. So we're happy to have a group of 4Patriots employees out today to volunteer to get the work done.
My name is Michael Paul. You are here at the compoundhq.org. I own the property in which we built this compound. I was in the Army and learned a lot of survival skills in the military. The best therapy for me when I broke my back skydiving was getting back into activities that I could still do to help in my recovery. Pretty much now I do retreats for veterans and host families, friends out here at the compound. We have a variety of retreats we can do out here. We can do yoga and activities based around wellness, therapy, workouts. There's places to hike, bike, ATV riding, go out on the lake, kayak. There's no better therapy than veterans helping veterans. And that mindset of integrating veterans working together, it creates them to share resources, share ideas that are therapeutic, and share what works for them. So 4Patriots planted vegetables for us to enjoy all throughout the summer and harvesting in the fall.
We have some Detroit darkened red beets, scarlet nantes carrots, some red sales lettuce, red cherry tomatoes, and black beauty zucchini. Perfect garden.
Gardening is a great therapy to see, the fruits of your labor, and what you sow is what you reap.
Do we need to get the leaves out of here?
And if we do 3 rows, it's easier to thin them out than risk not having a proper yield.
Yeah.
So.
4Patriots, you guys are selling a lot of products that we believe in because we've all been learned survival skills in the military. And those things all transition over to just daily living. We'll definitely be utilizing and be thanking you for today's efforts and planting all the seeds.
Go for a beat! Woo!
Oh yeah!
Video!